I grew up not too far from here, just up the coast. My grandfather used to say that when God made Earth, he first made Småland because he wanted to test everything. You have coastlines, islands, a lot of lakes. It's not a rich region, but rich in culture. Time is standing still here. You see it in the architecture, but also in the landscape. We used to live in Berlin for about 20 years, but as I grew older and became a parent, I really wanted to have a place up in the north in Sweden, where I'm from. And when a house came for sale here, we just had to go for it. We realized it needed quite a renovation. When you have an old house, you're not just using it, you're caring for it. My role is to curate this renovation so that it's kept for the future. It was important first to get to know the house, but also get to know the people that lived here before. The kitchen has been the biggest project in this house, for sure. It's the most important room. It's the heart of the house. That's where we spend the most time together as a family, but also where I spend the most time. I wanted the kitchen to feel alive from the beginning and chose materials and colors that already have a life somehow, like the limestone from Öland island just opposite from us. And the other countertop is made out of really wide planks from the forest out here. They shouldn't be perfect, they should get stains because, the most beautiful countertops are 200 years old and have their lives in them. When I looked at the oven or the stove, it was rather more important to have the best technology. In the end, I ended up getting 2 ovens, simply because I also like to cook a whole meal in the oven. And the most important for me was that I was going to have a baking oven that can reach 300 degrees Celsius and where I can use a heated baking stone. I also chose a steam oven where I can have 100% humidity, 80%, 60%, 30%. It gives a large variety. I think my hope is that we have built something that is really long-lasting. I know we have in the quality that we chose, in the materials. It seems like it's always been here.